Hey, ¿qué pasa, mofas? Brendan back with another video. So as a wedding photographer, from time to time, you do get asked to shoot surprise proposals. Surprise proposal. It's kind of hard to say. Surprise proposal, surprise proposal. Say that 5 times in a row. So Anthony reached out to me a couple days ago to shoot a proposal that he's going to do. His girlfriend does not know that's going to happen, and we're going to go to the South Padre Island. Yeah, we do live on an island from where I'm from. Anyways, we're going to head out there. We're going to start packing up, doing some stuff, and we're going to go shoot this proposal. Now, I've done these before in the past. They can be a little bit stressful at times because you got to be undercover and kind of be all secretive and stuff. And, of course, you can't have the girlfriend see you with this huge camera and all this stuff. So they can be a little bit stressful, but they're also a lot of fun. Anyways, so we're going to vlog this, and we'll see you out there in South Padre.
Gotta strike this chord with a humble hearts, bearing heavy chains and blue collar scars.
And then also got to bring these little speed lights here, these Godox, these 8200s. I just got these in the mail. These are pretty excited about these. And got to set them up with the little mag shoes, which I got in the garage right now. So we'll set those up. And let's just finish packing up the truck as we got to head out soon.
Inevitably gonna get the way. If it don't take that fight, take it to the grave. You're trying to walk with the angels.
Alrighty, so the plan is to get to this South Padre. Shit, damn it. Alrighty, so the plan is to get to the South Padre Island golf course and get there, and I'm gonna meet up with Anthony's dad. We're gonna go and drive to hole 4. We're gonna kind of be following Anthony and his girlfriend at the golf course, kind of like lagging behind. Hopefully they don't see us. Super stressful. And then at hole 4 overlooks the bay area, and it looks super nice, so that's probably why they wanted to propose there. So hole 4, he's supposed to like kind of start proposing to her, having her close her eyes, that sort of thing. When she closes her eyes, we're gonna jump out of the woods and stuff and really just kind of like get the shots. Super stressful. I'm super stressed. I'm freaking out. I haven't eaten. I'm wired up on coffee. Let's get it. Everything from here on out has to be filmed on the GoPro. I gotta stay undercover. This is so stressful. I'm meeting with the dad soon. All right, let's go.
You should have not parked next to me. They're gonna be like,
that's the way it's done.
So
Trust me.
we made it to the golf course, and now we're with Anthony's dad. He's driving us around, and I don't know if you're not going to be able to see because it's a wide angle, but way out there where those little palm trees are at, that's where they're at, and they're golfing. They don't know we're here. We're undercover. It's like we're the FBI, CIA. Should be fun. So this is it. We're on hole 3. They're finishing up a putt, the last putt, and they're going to go on to hole 4, where he's going to propose. If you could feel my pulse right now, it would feel like a, I don't know, whatever's fast. Alrighty. It's the moment of truth. He's going to pretend to miss the ball. And then, after he misses the swing, we're going to drive up and ambush him. I'm so nervous. This is so stressful. You're stressing me out. Hey guys, Future Brendan here. So after we started shooting the initial proposal, and sorry I'm vlogging on the Canon M50, Steven still has my A7S and he hasn't given it back to me. So Steven, if you're watching this video, I'd like my camera back. And so after we did that surprise proposal, we did the photo shoots, all that, you know, standard stuff. We got the family photos. We did all those things. Then we went into the couples session, which, you know, we just ran it through a really quick couple session that we usually do. The same stuff, you know, looking at each other, smiling, telling my balls jokes, all that sort of thing. So, oh, my son. Gavin.
I can't see the kitty.
Ugh, he looks like he found a cat. Where's the kitty?
Down here.
Where?
Here.
Gavin, you're gonna get rabies.
Look, this is my mom. This is the
Rabies. Anyway, so everything went well. It was super stressful. Everything was very fast paced. You only get one chance to get the shot, sort of thing. But we nailed it. Usually, most of the time when you do these type of proposals, they're gonna hire you for the engagement session and their wedding later in the future. So hopefully, if you do a good job, you get those, you know, those future bookings. So. You know what? He wasn't lying. There was a cat under the sewer. Color balance is all jacked up. There. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm going to post the photos here now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I got a couple more videos coming out. I've been just kind of postponing it, so sorry about that. But, you know, it's been a busy October, so see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Gotta strike this chord with the humble hearts, bearing heavy chains and blue collar scars. Inevitably they're gonna get their way. If it don't take that fight, take it to the grave. They try to walk with